y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to harvest one of my potatoes. I got two of them. One is over there and one is over here. But because I've done this one about 3 months ago already, I'm going to go ahead and see what we have. I've been excited, y'all. I've been real excited, okay? Because when I say I'm not good at growing things, and this is the first thing that grew for me. So I'm real excited to see what I have here. And I asked many questions about when is it time to harvest these. I didn't really get a lot of responses or any responses at all. So I'm just going by 3 months, and because I seen a potato up here, I'm gonna go ahead and get them out of here. Now, this isn't a large harvest because, again, this is my first time. So let's see. I saw somebody do this the other day, and she had no potatoes. So almost. This ain't working for me. Lord have mercy.
Just wiggle it.
Look at that baby potato right there. This is not what I wanted. Next time I'm gonna use a bigger.
There you go.
Yeah, some in there. They're so little. All roots, right? These are still attached. These were still growing, it looks like. Well, if nothing else,
That one looks different.
it's so cute. I don't know what I can do with these other than put them in a roast. Ooh, look. See, I took too long. There was one rotting. Look at these little tiny things. Oh, this one went bad too. That is not good. if I can reuse this soil to plant more. Let's see, why not? Oh, that one's no good. This one still have roots on it. I think that's it. Little tiny things. What you think? I should be able to use the rest of this soil, right? Reuse it again for more potatoes. So this is my harvest, you guys. This is my harvest for my potatoes. Not bad for my first time. All right. And thanks for watching my channel. Just remember, like, share, subscribe.